finally lighting my custom candle that I made. I named it Christmas and a Candle, and this smells so good.
Wait, can you see me?
Yeah. Dude, I hope this candle actually smells good when it's lit. Isn't it?
It smells so good when it's not. Imagine if that just like flew off and like burned me in my face.
It kind of smells like a s'more though.
It does. I love it. I don't know what you did. It feels like sweet, but like
there's lots of like vanilla. KK's trying the pasta.
Damn, isn't that good? I really like that. I'm about to eat everything.
Okay, so colorful pasta, I'm weak to this. Freaking love that. She's never used a frother before, guys.
She says it's like
I just got these peppermint and gingerbread espressos the other day, and I've been obsessed with it. So KK and I split one, and we poured it over ice, and we're gonna make a little iced coffee. I already had one this morning, but like, you could never have too much coffee. And yeah, now we're adding like the foam on top.
It's like so creamy.
Oh my gosh, I've never gotten it that frothy.
I know, I'm kind of like, it's kind of whack.
I've literally never had these before. Can I have the raw cookie dough? Is it good?
Yeah. I'll eat one with you. Oh my god, look on the... Look on my drink.
Cheers. Cheers. Oh my god, this is so good. Fun fact, I've never had them. So yum.
The raw cookie dough smacks.
Yeah.
See, these are dangerous because they're tiny.
Everyone else is outside right now.
Hi,
How do we turn this off?
We don't know how to turn this off. We want to come downstairs because we have FOMO, but let's see. Can I stop? Am I gonna? Wait, let me look. There you go. Put it in.
Alexis. Who's doing which one? Who's doing the blue one?
This will be John and I.
Okay, wait, y'all have to hold it up. Okay, this is team one. Tell us your names and what you're building.
So John and I here. Oh, well, I guess I'm Charles Robert Carpy IV. This is John Lewis Chapman.
Nice.
We're gonna be building a surfer beach house.
Ooh.
It's a sugar cookie kit.
This is our holiday barn. I'm Katie.
Relax.
And it has a cute little cow.
That's my favorite part.
In the sheep.
And the
I
pig.
know, it's actually really cute.
Shout out Target.
I don't know about that. We'll see. We'll see.
Today we are gonna be building this. This is a glitter chateau. What's a chateau? Did I say that right?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know, but my guess is that it's this. That's what it is.
Yeah. Also, look at the unicorn. Look how cute that is right there. Shout out. Anyways, we all have different colors. We're all different teams. Comment below who
We're
you think's
gonna win. We're gonna win. Actually, we're not. I'm horrible at this. Can I see that handshake again, please? They are cute. They're already made. That's cheating. That's like.
I know, but your unicorn's already made too.
Like one time, I can only do it once.
Yeah, it kind of is scary.
And what is that? Is that
A llama?
Woohoo! I think that we are gonna need to spice it up.
Yeah. Well, that's simple spice. What like? Sugar
Follow the
spice.
directions, otherwise it's gonna look terrible.
Everything.
Oh, I thought I broke it.
You had it.
How freaking cute is this?
We'll put this on top just for. Progress check. Let's see where you're
Maybe
at.
one of these stars.
How do you feel?
Stressed.
It's cute though. Y'all's decorations are good. That looks like a freaking turkey.
I know.
Acorn, but it looks cute. How do you guys feel?
Pretty confident, you know.
I don't know, the girls were looking pretty good. Ours collapsed.
Okay, are you sure you don't?
This fucking pasta, sorry.
So freaking good, and for what?
No, literally. Can I have a bite?
We made more. I literally love these. Pillsbury is so smart to make these.
They also taste just,
I'm gonna have this one.
This is my fifth one, guys.
they're so yeah, just like those JoJo's from Trader Joe's. So good.
Oh my god, Karen. I'm like not a big fan of sugar cookies.
I love
But
sugar
this is
cookies.
good.
Yeah. It's because it's Pillsbury.
I'm slowly slipping.
We did not win.
We lost big time. We didn't even stay up.
See the hands, Charlie. Oh shoot.
Charlie turned into a Smurf.
This is what happens when I try to do work.
Oh, goodie bag. Lex just in the background like, hey. Yeah, it's actually beautiful.
Perfectly horizontal.
Yeah.
And so it isn't a really good spot for a hoop if you ever did change your mind.
Okay. Thank you, I appreciate it.
That looks so good.
Good job! Hi loves. As y'all saw, I got my ears pierced. Yeah. It was a very, very spontaneous, spur of the moment thing. Literally after we built gingerbread houses, KK and I went to the gym. We did a little grind session and then it was like 8 or 9 p.m. So we just decided to go get our ears pierced. And mine, I don't have my first ones in, but I have 3 down here and then I got the helix pierced. I'm obsessed. It looks amazing. Also, I painted my nails red. So yeah. So I got an unfortunate text. Drew texted me and was like, can you call me right now? And usually whenever he says something like that, I know something's up. So I called him and I was like, is everything okay? And basically our Tahoe trip is canceled because his sister's boyfriend, he has work stuff and we were gonna go, the 4 of us, and he cannot make it. So we just decided to call it off. And I'm really sad because my sister like shipped a bunch of clothes from Colorado. She had a bunch of extra ski stuff. So she packaged it all super sweet and sent it to me. And it literally came today and we can't go anymore. So it is what it is. I'm really sad, but that just means that I think I'll be going home quicker. I need to check flights and all that stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys had an amazing day and I love you guys so much. Finals are coming up tomorrow. I've been studying, grinding out everything that I need to do. And I'm so nervous. But I had a really good weekend. Yesterday, I had an amazing time at the Christmas party. Obviously didn't film a bunch, but today it was just a chill. I had a couple friends over. We built gingerbread houses and it was really wholesome. So thank y'all so much for watching. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.
Crackling wood all season, decorating